Here we have the Honeywell AC thermostat. To operate with it, turn on by pressing this middle button. You can choose the fan mode here. Low, medium, high, and auto. You can choose the mode here for cool, vent, or heat. It should be on the cool position and set to 23. The fan mode should be on auto.